boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a new song here from Luke COMBS called "The Man He Sees in Me." So he said about this song, this is a dad song, that it's unreleased, and yeah, lovely song there. We'll learn from Luke COMBS there. So we will take a look at this one with a capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have 4 different chords that goes around in the same order through the entire song. So we'll look at the chords first and then learn the strumming pattern. Let's go. So we have the C G chord first. That is basically a C but with a G in the bass. So that will be 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be an F major, but with a C in the bass, so the F C chord. What you do here, you keep the index finger on the same spot there from the C G, and you just take down everything else here 1 string down. So the exact same grip here with the mid, ring finger, and little pinky. 1 string down, you land on this grip. So that gives you 3rd on A, 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B still, and open E. Then we have a D minor 7, but with an A in the bass. So it sounds like that. It's open A, open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And the last there, 1st B and 1st E. I just placed a short little bar there, so I don't have to incorporate 2 fingers very tight there. So just a short bar there and added 2nd on G. That's the D minor chord. And then we have the G. What I do here, I want the note on the 1st E string from the D minor 7. So that gives us kind of a G7 chord here, but the 3rd on B goes towards the G chord. So I don't know really technically what this chord is called, but this is the grip I'm using for the song here. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 1st E. There is probably a pretty name, but yeah, this is the grip. If you think this is too much to incorporate all these fingers, I would go with the G7. Just release the 3rd B and get that open and go for the G7 like this. That's what I would play. So that's the chord incorporation: C G, the F C, D minor, A, and the G. All right. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern here. And at some point between the verses and the choruses, you have this instrumental parts where we need to split the strumming pattern into 2. But we'll first learn the full pattern, and then we're gonna explain further on what we need to split and so on. But first, let's grab the C G chord. And 1 round goes like this. So it's a pretty long one. It goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. There's a certain rhythm here, but if you just break it down, it is down, and then comes down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Again, slowly. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So 1 round in tempo goes. And a couple of rounds. All right. So you could play all these downs and ups, but you can also choose to play a bit more with feeling. And if you do that, when you listen to when Luke plays it, he doesn't hit all the downs and up all the time. Sometimes he does, but sometimes not. And there are certain downs and ups that you need to focus on. So if we just start with where the split will be later on for this this strumming pattern. I'm gonna show you when you're gonna play it, but first the split, it will be between yeah, you're gonna play it down, down, up, up. Okay, so that's where the split goes. The first part is down, down, up, up, and then you switch chord. I'm gonna show you how it's done later, and play the next chord follows down, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, and then it goes the split for the rest. So the certain downs and ups you need to focus on is the first down, then you can play the up that comes after the down up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So you see, I'm speaking here, all the downs, I'm talking about all the downs and ups here. I'm just playing on the ones I'm focusing on, so it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Again. That's the downs and ups you need to focus on from this string pattern. And if you want, you can fill out with all these downs and ups if you want, but basically you could play like this. For one round. And a couple of rounds will be so, we have the chord progression here that we talked about. The main parts is kind of 90% of the song goes C, G, F, C, the D minor A, and the G chord, one string around per chord. So that will sound with the full pattern. Or with the stripped down version, when you focus on the downs and ups you need to, is all right. Now we have in between the verses and choruses, we had instrumental parts. In this instrumental part, I believe the last time he plays this instrumental part, he even sings the main theme here, The Man He Sees in Me, during that instrumental part. You're going to play the exact same chord progression, but you're going to play it with splitted parts of this strumming pattern here. So the CG will play the first part, the down, down, up. Then you switch to the FC and play the part 2 there. Down, down, up, down, down, up. You continue with the D minor. Again, part 1, in the same way as the CG, down, down, up. And you switch to the G and play the part 2, down, down, up, down, down, up. So, it goes like this. Again. Or with the stripped down version of strumming, it goes. And so on. So that is pretty much what you need to handle COMBS, The Man He Sees in Me. Great song there. So if you like COMBS and would like to learn his songs, this is the channel to go to. He will probably, most certainly, come back here. So yeah, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar, and until next time, play tuned.